Welcome back everyone, it's Sam from Tynker with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First we have Oeo BV by blackcheetah. Looking at blackcheetah's code, we can see some when actor collides blocks to collect the coins, and some when it received blocks for the damage done by the enemies. Run through this platformer game to extinguish the bad guys. Next project we have is called Super Hard Game by Energetic Vulture. Looking at the code, we can see some set rotation style blocks for the obstacles and some when touching blocks for the boundaries in the course as well. Try and make it past each gauntlet to move on to the next round. Up next we have Space Chaos by TeeMeeItei. Checking out the code, we can see some when I receive blocks for the meters you have to dodge, and some change blocks for keeping score. Blast through outer space and evade the meters to claim the high score. Lastly, we have Ninja Run by Geek. In Geek's code, we can see some when press blocks to move your ninja around the map, and some when actor collides and handle collision blocks for the bad guys when you defeat them. Use your ninja skills in this game to defeat those that oppose the way of the ninja. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code like this too on Tynker. See you next time!